So what's up guys, it's Pranav from Hightech. So guys, in this video we will be taking a look at top 5 websites of Google that every Google user should know. So before getting into the video, I must tell you to follow me on all my social media accounts, like follow me on Twitter and Instagram, like my page on Facebook, because I am posting a lot of content on my social media accounts. So don't forget to follow me, and follow me personally on my Instagram account. So handles link will be in the description. And yeah, now let's get into the video. But one thing more, subscribe our channel for more awesome videos and press the bell icon to get our video notification. So yeah, now then let's get started.
The first website in our list is Android Device Manager. Known through the website, one can easily trace the location of his or her lost device if and only if they have made the feature enabled on their device before. You can also remotely delete the whole data of your lost device. That's interesting, you should try it. So the fifth one is backup data. Want to keep your Google data safe? You can do that easily, and for that you will just need to head out to the Google takeout URL, and you can do that from there. The link will be in the description for the website. Go for it. Yeah, back up your data so it will be safe for you. So the second website in our list is content removal from Google. So suppose your content is copied from some other website and blog. You need not to worry, just raise up the DMCA complaint with the Google, and if the culprit is found to be guilty, then the content shall be removed from another website. So just fill the complaint and that's pretty much it. Just fill the boxes one by one. Yeah. So the third website in our list is Google Fonts, the best place where you can find up any of the fonts files for your project or your website, etc. You can also get these fonts in many other languages too. You should try it, go for it. The link will be in the description. So the fifth one is Inactive Account Manager. If you have many Google accounts, then it is possible that some of the accounts you might not be using for a long time. That turns that account into inactive. Through the Inactive Account Manager, you can quickly set up your account to become active. So what should you do? Go to the URL in the description and make your account active. So yeah,
so that's pretty much it for the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button, and if you can, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification right next to the subscribe button, then it will really make my day. Yeah, so thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I am signing out.